Hi guys, so I'm at Sal's and he has an abundance of skincare and I'm not one that's very good at doing this. If anything, I maybe use 3 products and not always, only really cleanse if I'm wearing makeup. I know it's bad, I'm not good at it, but he has abundance of stuff here. So I'm just going to try some stuff. I'm going to do a 10-step skincare right now. I'm going to start, let's just go straight into it. I'm going to start with, oh, let me put my hair up there. Okay, let's start with this Ren Clean Jelly Oil Cleanser. I do have oily skin. Removes pollution, that's very good. Okay, so I put it on dry skin. I was not going to do that, I was going to put it on wet skin. Oh, it's very thick, it feels like a mask. Ren reminds me of spas. There's always a lot of Ren products in spas. I don't have makeup on now, but we want nice, fresh looking skin today. Okay, then I have a face halo. I've never actually used one of these either, but I'm very excited to. So I've just got a bowl of water here and I'm gonna massage that in. Wow, this face halo is nice. It doesn't feel rough on the skin at all, but it definitely is getting the product off. Definitely need to get these. I heard that the other day cotton buds are gonna be illegal to sell in the UK. It is the ear ones. Oh, so these you can still get, but this is obviously a lot better for the environment. You can reuse these. Good for the environment, I'm all down for that. Now, I'm gonna use this detoxing scrub. Mayday detoxing scrub from MULAC Skincare. I've not actually heard of this brand before. Very cute packaging though, and it's still sealed. Quite nice. Love opening a fresh product. Use once or twice a week on dry or wet skin. Apply the product and gently massage on the skin, avoiding eyes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Again, I think that should be enough for me. It definitely feels like it's cleaning my skin out. It's like proper getting in there. I think it may be a bit rough for some people with sensitive skin. The grains are like quite large. I don't know if you can see. Avoiding their eyes. Going down to the neck a bit. They say there's 2 things that start to age fast are your hands and your neck. And that's how you can tell. Definitely getting to that age where I need some help with anti-aging. Okay, I'm going to use another face halo and remove that. I mean, I don't know if I can see a difference, but I can definitely feel my skin. It feels so clean. Now I'm going to get a towel and dry off my face because I'm going to try and dermaplane, which is something very, very new for me. We'll see how that goes. Another face halo and use PIXI Glow tonic because it says to use clean, toned skin. I've just spilt that down me. I know this is a cult beauty fave. That does smell amazing again. Everything smells so good. Now, to try this thing. This is the one that's gonna scare me a little bit. So, bear with. I'm gonna get my mirror closer so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not going to touch my brows. I know you can shape with this, but I'm not going to touch them because I'm just not good at that stuff. But I'm gonna dermaplane my face so it gets rid of the dead skin cells and also the peach fuzz. So you're supposed to hold it at a 45-degree angle. Oh my god, if you guys see that coming off. I have a lot more on my face than I thought. Now, one thing I was scared about this product is the hair growing back thicker and darker. But it says that it doesn't. Let's clean it off and see what comes up. I mean, there's not much coming off at the moment, but I can definitely see it on my face. It's that bit of my face there that you see the most difference. There's definitely some hair on there. It doesn't take long at all. You can't really see because it's on a black path, but there are some little hairs and dead skin cells on there. But I'm not going to overdo it with that because I just don't really know what I'm doing properly with it. But I think now my skin feels so smooth and clean, it's time to use a mask. And I picked this one because it said it was organic, which it's good to use natural products on your face, isn't it? So it's from Evolve, I think is the brand. Evolve Organic Beauty. It's a miracle mask for all skin types with fruit, aha, and Peruvian maca. Apply thick layer on cleansed skin, leave for 5 minutes, rinse clean with warm water. I haven't actually looked at this yet. So it's like a honey consistency. After looking for forever, I finally found a brush to put it on with. It says to use a thick layer, so let's just hope I don't drip it all down me, because that would be something. And typical. Okay, this says leave for 5 minutes, which is not long at all, which is good. So I'm going to put a timer on and leave it for 5 minutes as told. There we go. Time to take the mask off. I'm going to use face halo again. I have to say, having this mask on did feel so nice. And as it's a quick one, 5 minutes, it's so easy to do. Although it says, oh, it doesn't say how often you can use it. I guess you can use it as often as you want. And these face halos, I've never used before, but they are so good for taking off masks. Leaves your face feeling so clean. Like I don't feel like I've got excess on at all. I've never felt so fresh, ever. I'm going to pat my face dry and then start with the serums and moisturisers. Okay, so you're supposed to use serums before moisturisers. I almost got that wrong. This is the HENRIKSEN, I think you say it. Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. And I've used some HENRIKSEN stuff before, and their stuff is beautiful. Apply evenly to face and neck after fully absorbed. Follow with the moisturiser. I'm not going to use that today because I have an interesting moisturiser I'm going to use. Now, it says Banana Bright Serum, but it smells like orange, which I love a citrusy scent, so. And I actually used the tiniest amount, and that fully covered my face. And look, it says use it on the neck as well. My face is definitely looking a lot brighter after that. I'm gonna let it sit for a couple seconds just so it does fully absorb, as it says. Now I'm going to use the Misha Super Aqua Cell Renewal Snail Cream. Now, snail creams fascinate me. I know they're used a lot in Asia, and it's like their secret ingredient to looking young. So I'm going to use a small amount, and it says to pat lightly into the skin. It smells beautiful, like cucumber, which all the products I've used smell nice. It's very, like, it feels so hydrating, like it's very gel-like, but not thick. It like, that feels super hydrating. And you're supposed to let that sit and dry into the skin as well. Skin feels so good. As I said, I've never used this many products on my face, which I know it should. Okay, now that I've used a serum and a moisturiser, I'm going to use an SPF because that moisturiser did not have one, even though it's winter. They say you should always use one. This is the SHISEIDO Sports Invisible Protective Mist SPF 50, and I always use the highest. Oh no, it says avoid spraying on face directly, spray onto hands before application. Okay. Now it is invisible. There's just bubbles coming out. Oh my god, my face was so smooth. Now one thing I've forgotten is an eye cream. So let me get one of those, because as I'm getting older, I definitely need that anti-aging help. Which I know the Snail cream is supposed to do too, but my under eyes are rather dark. Now, as I've used the HENRIKSEN serum, I found, the first one I saw was the eye cream, so I'm going to use that as well, and I have used this before. This is a lovely eye cream. The same scent as the other one, which is not banana, it's orange, but it's beautiful. There we go, that's the product. And it looks like there's some shimmer to it. And they say to use eye cream with the third finger because it's the least abrasive. And I'm going to go under and on the top of my eyes as well, because they both need some anti-aging. And it is actually brightening quite straight away. Right, now that I've done all that, I'm going to use the CLARINS Hydrating Beauty Mist. Now I love a mist. I haven't used one in a while, but it's just so refreshing. It literally does say refresh on here. It's got coconut water, Robinia flower water and extracts, fig. Okay. It's a very fine mist. Has a bit of a flowery scent, but very nice, very light. And the very last thing I'm going to use is a lip balm, and this is PATCIIOLOGY Lip Service Gloss to Balm Treatment. Very cute packaging. If I can get it open, seems to be struggling. And this is completely clear. But just as a finish, my lips actually feel a little dry, so this is perfect. Has a little bit of mint taste. I've already got it in my mouth. And definitely looks glossy too, which is nice. So you could just use that on your own, on its own with makeup. And that is it. That is my skincare routine for today. It feels so nice and my skin looks so glowy. It's definitely something I should do more often. Maybe like once a week or something. It's definitely not something I can commit to every day. And I think that's a lot to do every day anyway. That didn't take long at all, apart from me rummaging for products. But my skin feels great, so it's definitely something I should do often. Anyway, that's all I have for today. I might go rummaging and find some new products that I'm gonna try out as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you found something maybe here that you'd like to try yourself, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.